I'm sorry about this northern ranchers and midwestern ranchers that the feed all winter. I'm not mad this time of year. Our clover, that's clover, native clover and ryegrass is coming. And it's January maybe 20th, 21st. Good set of crossbred cows. And I'll say crossbred. There's some purebred Brahmans in here. Some F1s like you see there. Then Brangus. Just good set of ranching cows. Oh, I think there's maybe 13 calves we've had born in the past 3 weeks. They're popping out left and right. Somebody want these beautiful Brahman cows? I'll keep them here, but they're really a good set of Brahman cows. Commercial, obviously. Having Charolais and Angus sire babies. Charolais and Angus sire babies. And it's 12 o'clock in Bowling, USA. Brandon and Rachel across the fence there. Contrary cattle. Raising beautiful Brahmins over there. Just throwing out there, give me a little plug. You're welcome, Brandon. Tell you what, that old cow, she's a 3/4 blood Brahmin. She's springing. I think she has a baby already. She's about to have one. She'll raise gigantic calves, I promise you. And y'all guys want to raise them F1s? I mean, although she's not straight purebred, she's what I call a dang near purebred. You put a Hereford bull, and that calf looked like a dang sure F1. Anyway. Ooh, and that trusty Toyota car driving around them. Again, we're here in Bowling, USA. Maybe in this area looking at beautiful American Great Brahmins, which this county's known for, all the great Brahmin ranches, or several of the great Brahmin ranches in our county. Feed over there. Contrarians over here, in the middle of them. Down the road is Heritage, obviously via Hudgens. So we're in this area, you can say, man, let's go look at these commercial cows. I can put some embryos. These girls make great embryo recipient cows. Woo! I just turned them out on this ryegrass. I think there's 13 calves on them, but more popping. These 13 calves have been born in the past 3 weeks, so they're just popping them out. Nice set of ranching cows. I'll make you one for many years to come. I moved them with the car, so I was by myself. So I opened the gate, pushed them all out. So I cubes in the car. They'll work for that.